Hello world, today is March 1st, 2025, and this is another vlog these are 10 minutes raw unedited public journals talk about what is top of mind. And right now it's around, maybe it's like 11 or no, it's got to be like 1 p.m. I just did the judging here for the hackathon, submitted my project, and now I'm like preparing, planning out the day and thinking about what to do next. I will probably go to like the main venue. The main event is happening like next door. This is the hackathon space. All these people are developers, hackers, builders, submitting their projects, and there's probably like there's definitely over 1,000 people. So tomorrow I believe is the last day, and so what is top of mind? Yesterday I talked about like what's the nature of being a human, as we are like kind of like a program, and we just have a goal and purpose. And like if you take it down to the bare bones, like what is that actually? And having clarity is probably the most powerful thing you can do. So intelligence is really about taking things away and seeing what is really happening, to reduce complexity, reduce confusion, because fundamentally reality, the world, is very simple. It's based on simple rules of logic, arithmetic. The same with computers. And so we have all this like great complexity, these video games of these with that faithfully reproduce reality with the graphics and physics, but they're all based on very simple rules of logic, of gates, of and or gates, which is zeros and ones, which is a simple arithmetic. So likewise, we can like reduce our lives and who we are, what we are, down to the bare bones, and then we can understand who we are and understand how we operate, and then we can more effectively pursue what we want to pursue and accomplish the things we want to accomplish, and remove the obstacles, because all the obstacles are just created by ourselves by our lack of clarity on our intentions, our desires, our goals, and our abilities. Well, really, if you really clarify what you are about, it's about clarifying your intentions. And your intentions for your life, for your whatever you're doing in your work, having clarity on that will give you an edge, and it gives you a really a superpower. So this is really about clarifying, reducing, and that's why focus and consistency are so important, because we're not really about creating more complicated things, but we're really about doing the same things, same simple things over and over again. And it's not about acquiring something, becoming something else, but it's really about knowing that you already have all the things you need, all the resources, and it's really about moving your energy and removing your focus. So I've been talking about yesterday, what I talked about yesterday, it was about what a human being is fundamentally at the core. And today I'm really talking about going further about clarifying your intentions, and how really being more clear, being more focused, consistent is how you make progress. And it's about being in the right place. And it's about what I'm talking about is like life philosophy, life strategy, life decisions, and self-understanding and self-knowledge. We have this the whole earth for us to explore, go out and create our life, which is like a work of art, and the earth is a blank canvas, and we have the time we have on this earth, the 85 years or so, to create what we want, what we choose. And for me, I'm repeating the kind of theme. My theme of my life is like self-improvement, actualizing my potential, leaving a dent in the universe, leaving my mark, contributing to the story of mankind, of humankind, contributing to the process that gave me the opportunity to be here right now. It was not an accident. It was people coming together, my ancestors and the forces of the earth all came together to make this moment possible, and I am grateful because I love being alive, and I'm grateful for this opportunity. And this allows me to have the opportunity to contribute, to extend, to further this process by understanding it, by internalizing it, by understanding it, by knowing it through my observation of nature and science and language and technology. So all of these things were created by other people, and I am by understanding them, by studying them, observing them, I can recreate them, and I can play in this kind of orchestra have my own voice and my own place in this big dance of creativity, of curiosity and learning. And so, like, Einstein really was, in his own words, not really anyone that was like super intelligent. He was just very super curious, and he's on his way to the patent office where he worked as a patent clerk. He thought about what would happen if the trolley moved at the speed of light, and the light that is on the trolley, would it increase? Would it also move? Because if there's a light on the trolley, so as it's moving, is the speed of the light equal to the speed of the light plus the speed of the trolley? Because if you for example throw a ball from a trolley, the speed of the ball will be the speed of the trolley plus the speed of the ball that you threw. But that's not the case for light, because there's the maximum speed of the light. So that was like a puzzle that he was just curious about from simple observations, So that's 10 minutes, and I just submitted my hackathon project. I stayed up till like 3:30 a.m. I woke up at like 8, and so feeling that tiredness, but I think like just pushing through it and like exercise is gonna help offset some of that, some of those effects of not getting enough sleep, which is probably not really the smartest thing to be doing. So probably that's a lesson. So thank you for listening and sending love and peace vibrations to the world. even like 5 seconds of sending peace and love vibrations to the world, those thoughts, they matter. They have an effect. Even a grain of sand makes a difference. So, peace. Thank you for listening.